Hey guys, I'm in week 7, video 5, and I just want to show you how I built this model in Excel. And so here I have 300 days of data, and I took the formulas that were given to us in the video and I applied them to my model. And I then found the average of profit, same thing with standard deviation. And something I wanted to do was, later on in the video, the professor mentions he made 40 runs of 300 days each. Well, I wanted to try to replicate this in Excel, and the first thing I thought of was to create a macro, but then I thought, maybe I could create a formula that could create this whole entire table in one cell and have it output the sample mean, and then I could just copy and paste this over, like 39 more times, and I'd be done. It would save a lot of tedious work. And so to do that, I would need to take this function. This formula creates our demand, and instead of passing just one random value in there, I would need to instead pass 300 random values. And so on a separate tab, I created this random table. There's 40 columns here, one column for each trial, and in each column there's 300 random values. So if I was to push like calculate now, like refresh, you can see all the values recalculating. And so when I did that, here's the final product. I get this formula right here, and so if I was to just enlarge this and highlight, highlight this, calculate now, here you can see these are all the outputs for profit, so there should be 300 values here. So for example, you see these first two, it says 210 and 850. If we came back here to this model, yeah, the first two values here is 210, 850. And so same thing with the sample mean, 79907, 79907, 396 standard deviation, 396. Yeah, and so it's working out pretty good. And so I just copy and pasted that over, 39 more times, and yeah, and then I'm able to get the mean of sample means, the standard deviation of of these values. And so yeah, I just want to share this model with you guys. Inside the discussion forum, I'll have a link to this workbook, and yeah, please go through this. One thing that stood out to me was like the sample standard deviation right here. It's like 12.3, and in the model, on the video, it's 20.9, and if I like recalculate this even like 50 times, I never get anything that high. And so yeah, I don't know, I mean, it's like 3 in the morning where I'm at right now, so maybe I'm missing something, but yeah, if you guys want to take a look, yeah, like sometimes this test statistic, it's a little higher than I've seen it in other examples we've done in this class. So but yeah, feel free to take a look at this, and yeah, tell me if there's anything you see wrong in the model. I'll update it. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.